it's up to us how we now bring this all together as manufacturers and meet this demand. Alright, that's without further ado, I'm going to call my panelists because they're going to talk about exactly these three themes and I'm going to quiz them on this as well. So let me invite on stage Mr. Joachim Plewa, who is the Chief Executive Officer of Food Co Holdings, Mr. Dominique Flo, who is the Regional Director Tatel Nile, DMCC, Jacek Plewa, who is the General Manager Global Food Industries, and Nicole Rogers, who is the founder Agriposity. Let's give them a big hand, please. Hello, can you hear me? Wow, that's great. Okay. Alright, these panels that have made a significant difference to healthier products globally, and which ones we hope to find in our region in the near future.
Thank you for this opportunity. But before that, I decided today to have a different color of the shirt. Usually when we come to the events, the dilemma in the morning is less usual and the choice goes for white. I think a lot of things happening around the world. We've seen the things coming out of New York recently, so I decided to bring different color of the shirt as a message to all of the leaders that our way forward needs to have that angle, which is more green. So with this, I think it's so critical to see the future of the food industry from that angle of disruptive technologies. At Global Foods, we've been researching over the last 4 years plant-based proteins. We link that effort as well with the food security for the nation out of 18 products in the society of the impact environment. It's a $1 trillion industry around the world, but things started changing because consumers started looking for healthier alternatives. Today, we are 7.6 billion people on the earth, and in the next years, we're going to reach 10 billion people by 2050. So the question is, how are we going to feed 2.5 billion people more? Today, we have 1.4 billion cattle to feed the cattle to give us 1 kilogram of meat. And if we cut the meat and we clean it, actually the 7 kilograms becomes 14 because half of the cattle is pretty much the waste. So it takes 14 kilograms of wheat which gets into the animal to produce 1 kilogram of meat. And this 14 is on dry basis, which is usually 12% of the moisture, which normal grain is 20 plus. So this 14 kilograms becomes 28 kilograms. If we turn our habit from eating red meat into the plant-based proteins, we can feed 15 billion people as of today. So our call for action is we come into products to disrupt the current realities and current industries, and we'll be the first company out of the Middle East to launch in November our plant-based proteins, which will have 30% more protein than normal range and 90% more fibers, which we just mentioned how important it is to get the fiber into our body. So this is the step one for us, and I think it's step one for the industry to further build on the plant-based proteins. But we see emerging trends which has not been commercialized yet, which is cultured meat. This is the meat which is produced pretty much in the labs, and I think the prediction is that by 2040, this will be a leading force in terms of the consumption, taking 35% of a trillion plus industry. And we look into other elements of disruption in terms of the world of protein and sustainability, which are insect-based proteins. So I think the world will hear far more in the coming years in terms of those disruptive new technologies coming into the play to challenge a non-sustainable current system of meat production.
Okay, fantastic, Jack. I really like your treatment of plant-based protein because I think that's a trend globally, and consumers who are caring for the environment, caring for sustainable ecosystems will adopt. The biggest challenge we will face here is it as good as the original stuff? I think that's what needs to be taken care of, yeah? Fair enough?
Definitely. Taste is of the paramount importance to the consumers. So over the last 4 years we did hundreds of consumer tests, and I think we coming with something which consumers will really appreciate.
Fantastic. All right, we have Dominic talk about sugar and technologies we can use for replacing sugar. By the way, did you notice everybody is talking about ingredient technologies? Nobody has yet touched upon production technologies, but that's fine. We follow each other. So this question goes to you, Nico. It says as follows: sugar and
40% of consumers in the UAE are ready to look for healthier choices. 27% of consumers declaring being flexitarians. So I think it's clearly in the pipeline.
That's very good. That's very good. And
this morning we had a good example. Our colleague from Afia, when the water example that we presented here. So it is very available to address the healthier aspiration of the consumer.
I like that. Thank you. Very good. All right, let's move to the next part of this panel discussion. This is around our consumers, because as much as we as manufacturers want to give healthier options to our consumers, they need to be ready to adopt them. You agree with me there? Yeah. Okay. So,
on your own culture, your own business, your own strategy. I'd be interested, given the amount that I guess we've spoken and know each other, being recognised as an innovative company. How do you develop your people plans with that in mind?
Great, and thank you for the question. And as I opened the panel yesterday, I think as well, I come again in the same green shirt, which means that I think it's important to communicate in a very consistent way to the organization. And I think what we do in Healthy Farm and Global Food, we communicate from the core, we communicate from the purpose. We are there every day to improve the quality of life, and that's how we are driven. That's why we wake up every day and we run to fulfill this mission. And I think the nature of how we interact, we usually ask the first question, what? What is your job? What you do? I think the key is to ask the question actually why we do what we do. What is the purpose of what we do? And that's, I think, a core of how we build the organization. I give you the example, and I think it's so important to understand why we do what we do, what is the purpose of what we do, rather than what we do. And I think if we communicate why we do what we do, it's far more inspiring for the people. And let me bring you this example. We talked about the healthy farm yesterday. So I can have a candidate or a consumer coming and meeting saying, what we do, we produce burgers. How we do it? We have machineries, we have the lines. And why we do it? Because at the end, we want to have a profit. Part of the story. Let me reverse the order. Why we are here today? Because we are here for the children, to improve the quality of life of our children. We have a very nice, small, funny nugget, which has a character of dinosaurs. Would you like to try one? I
think it's so important that we have a reverse order, building the cultures of our organization coming from why we do what we do. So I think that's the purpose, which is so important to start with.
Thank you. I think, Lamia, we spoke beforehand